Hi guys, you are watching Contrast Gaming YouTube channel. Today's video is about 30k PC build in which you can play games like Grand Theft Auto 5 and CS:GO on 1080p 60 FPS. So let's start the video. Here are all the parts you need to build this awesome PC. Now guys, let's see the specifications of the parts. Now guys, let's see the prices of the parts.
De tønne der.
So that is for today guys. Hope you liked the video. Please subscribe and like because it takes so long to make the videos. Your every single like is appreciated and motivates me to make good quality content. Thanks for watching.